3. Kim's birthday.
It's my birthday today. Hooray! Hooray! This is my mum and dad. This is my brother, Dan. This is my sister. Her name's Jill. And Grandpa's here too. My grandpa's name is Bill. I love him.
Let's have a party.
Let's make a big cake.
Let's have some fun.
Let's sing lots of songs.
Let's get some balloons. It's my birthday today. Hooray! Hooray! I've got lots of cards and a new box of paints. These are my presents too. Look! Wow! Thank you. Is this a bat? No, it's a sun hat. Is this a clock? No, they're some socks. Is this a toy tiger? No, it's a toy spider. It's my birthday today. Hooray! Hooray! It's my party now. We've got lemonade and ice cream. But where's my toy spider? It's on Grandpa's head. This cake is great. And now I'm 8. How old are you? Are you 8 too? Thank you, Mum and Dad and Jill. And thank you, Dan and Grandpa Bill.